Morning guys from here in Maspalomas.
Here we are in Malaga Airport.
We're in the city of Brussels, the capital.
Welcome to the centre of Porto.
Welcome to Marrakesh. So here we are guys, we finally made it to arguably one of the most finest, one of the best chocolate houses on the planet. Neuhaus behind me, world famous, very luxurious, very expensive, but we're going to see if we can get a deal on some bulk chocolates. I'm really excited for this. Now, you can taste absolutely everything inside, but one of the most important things you have to remember before you go in, take a bottle of water with you. Otherwise your mouth's going to dry up after the 5th chocolate. I've got a litre of water on me, and I'm going to see how many free chocolates I can smash. Come on, let's do this. So we have arrived at the chocolate factory. Now let's take a look around, because we're here for the outlet shop, and this is where we're going to get our chocolates today. And let's see what's on offer on this very cold January morning. And we can see there are promotions everywhere, and this is a promotion I took advantage of. So you could get a box of truffles, a box of pralines, and also a box of leftover Christmas chocolate. So that deal was 3 boxes for 26 when they're normally €14 each. So a good deal. But this is what we're really here to see. This is why everybody comes to the store. Not only is this the free tasting bit, but they give you a fantastic deal on chocolate, buying per kilo. So you can see the different types. You can see the truffles. Me personally, I tend to avoid truffles, although I did get a box of truffles from my haul. You can see that there are just so many different types of chocolate. You've got white chocolate, dark chocolate, black chocolate, caramel type chocolate, wine pairing chocolate, leftover Christmas chocolate. But I guess this stock changes every so often, you see, because the Christmas stuff is now going out. And we're coming up to Easter, so if you're travelling to the shop over this Easter, you're probably going to find more Easter chocolates than Christmas chocolates. But that's the price, 3 kilos for €68, and that is the 2024 price. You get this star here for free if you spend over €90, which I did. And you can see the factory where they actually make the chocolate, although we can't see anyone making the chocolate. So as I say, it was €94 for the total spend, and we got a ton of chocolate. So there we are guys, the climax of the trip, what we'd all waited for. Get our hands on some decent Belgian chocolate. Now I've just tried about 25 pieces and I'm pretty stuffed, especially as it's breakfast time. We're running early now, we've got a little bit of a schedule. What we're going to do now is we're going to go into Brussels city centre, we're going to take a look at the typical tourist attractions, and see what Brussels has got to offer. So come join me as we leave the Flanders region and we head back into the capital.